Wagemaster tutorials. Today we're going through what are the most common error messages that you can see in your Wagemaster STP portal. So first of all, once you submit an STP reporting, initially it should get you an received at the gateway message. Now I cannot really demonstrate that part in our test file because this file is not registered for the STP reporting. Then if you usually it will, once the ATO will clear that initial reporting, it will return it to success. But if it's not returning to success, it will say an error. Usually it comes with a red alert message and it says what's the error is. So let me quickly help open one of my help center articles in our website. So if you go through with this, usually it says validation error, so different sort of error types in the STP portal. So if you double click on the lines that you tell you the validation error, it's give you, okay, is that for one particular employee, whether the employee tax file number is not correct, or even the address, or it will give you what's the particular error is. Sometimes it can be entering credentials, like updated the operating system. Sometimes if you're using a more outdated operating system, ATO won't accept it. And also the payment invalid characters, so make sure you call any invalid characters in the employee phone number, address field or name field. And the STP connection error, usually it will say STP connection error and unknown error relating to SSL or TLS. So this is most likely can be a Windows updates, but also something to do with your security updates as well. If we go through these types of STP status messages, if it says not reported, that's mean generating Wagemaster but has not been reported to the ATO, which means you save the payslip but you forgot to report it. So pending is the messages has been reported and it's waiting for ATO to clear it. So that's the most common one. And in progress, it's very hardly you're gonna see in progress one. Usually it's straight away go to success or even failed. And the failed validation is that's the it could be invalid ABN, or it's the if it's the ATO registration details is no match with what you got in your Wagemaster. It could be one of that reason. Connection error received at gateway awaiting response. This is pretty much is the as soon as you submit the STP, it will go into this status. And cancel partial success, which means if you report like about 10 employees but one got an incorrect TFN, it will say partial success. But once it's success where the message is accepted. An unknown error, it could be different reasons for unknown error. Sometimes if the ATO portal do in the processing, once you while you're processing this STP, if the ATO are doing their maintenance or updating the system, usually it comes with the unknown error. It's most commonly it could be a generic error, but you can retry to update it, see if it's returned as success. If so, it's all good. Otherwise you might need to wait for a few hours and try it again. But as I said, it could be very reason when it comes to the STP errors. These are only most common ones, but it's depend on the scenario. If you got any errors in your STP portal, don't leave it behind. As soon as you see it, just contact us, our support team, to confirm anything, or to see if there's any update or any other person having the issues as well, or it's only for you. So it's always better to confirm with us rather than you leave it. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this short video, and if you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this a video like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.